creating yourself, manufacturing yourself, cutting up the tips of gloves,
to one or any
creating yourself, manufacturing yourself, cutting up the tips of gloves, to one that became a commercial product. But just give us a sense of what Cranley did. Good afternoon. My name is David Cassak from Envivo, and it's my pleasure to host this first program from the Innovators Workbench Medical Technology Innovation Series. And our guest tonight is Tom Fogarty. Over the course of the next several months as this program plays out, it's going to be hard to resist the temptation to use the term legendary. But if the term applies to anybody in this industry, it is certainly Tom Fogarty. Tom, welcome, and thanks for being here and for the opportunity to talk to you. I know you grew up in Cincinnati, Ohio. What was your early training like, and how did you get into medicine?
By accident.
Take us through that first design development. What materials did you use? How did the idea come to you? How did you actually turn that from the idea that here's the clinical problem that needs to be solved to a device that would solve that problem?
Well, in this particular situation, and it doesn't really represent the most common scenario, it was almost like a light bulb went off. That, if you put a thin catheter system down and you can make it bigger and then withdraw it and control the volume during withdrawal, you get the clot out. Essentially, I took what they call ureteral catheters, which are long, thin tubes, and I cut the baby finger off a number 5 glove, and I tied it on the catheter system with fly tying techniques, and that was the first balloon catheter.